All right, so today Colty and I are going to be testing out this monster truck. This thing has lights, it has smoke, it does wheelies front and back. It is four-wheel drive. It has nice squishy soft tires on it. It can go in the grass, dirt, anywhere it needs to go, and it's super fun. But rather than talk about it, let's go ahead and give it to Colty and let's see what Colton can do with it. You ready, Colt?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
All right, let's see what we can do. All right, Colty, show everybody how to drive it. Oh, look how fast it is.
Oh, yeah!
Turn around and come back.
Oh, it's
Turn the wheel. Point it back at us. Whoa! Dude! It wiped out like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back this way. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Now, do you want me to show you some extra features about this thing that's really cool? All right, watch this. Let me see the controller. Now, on the controller, you have a light button right here. See, but if you hit the button, it makes sounds. And then you can make them flash. And you can turn the sounds off. But here, look, watch this. You ready? Because it's a monster truck, it actually blows smoke out of his mouth. Oh my goodness. How cool is that?
I want it like that forever.
That is awesome, huh?
I want it like
All right,
that.
let's do the demo mode.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna, on the controller right here, in the middle they have a demo button. We're gonna hit it. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. It's gonna do everything by itself. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Look at it. Dude! It's riding wheelies.
Turn it off really quick.
Hold on, we're gonna let it finish the demo. What?
Oh!
What? Whoa! What do you think?
Oh.
That's pretty cool, huh? All right. Okay. All right, I turned the demo mode off. Now look, on the controller, watch. This is your smoke button right here. So that's the one you hit to make it blow smoke. But these buttons right here are your wheelie buttons. You want to see it? Look. Hit one of those wheelie buttons right there. Look at the truck. If you hit a wheelie button, it will actually ride a wheelie all by itself. Dude, how cool is that?
The cars now run
So,
here.
and if you hit the wheelie button, it'll drop back down again. But you can not only do front wheelies, but you can also do back wheelies. All with the click of a button. This is on the back wheels, this is on the front wheels. How cool is that? What do you think, Colty?
I'm driving by myself now.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take it off of the wheelie mode. Just like that, and now it's your turn. Let her rip.
Wow.
Uh-oh, you wiped out. Go get it. Oh, you did it. You turned it on. So as you can see, this is a super fun little monster truck. Colty's gonna have a blast with this one. It goes in grass, no problem. It goes in dirt, no problem. It's fun. It's got sounds. It's got lights. It's got smoke. It's got everything you need for a great time. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.